things that I think is really interesting that I've noticed is the two different types of people in the class. And John has been saying this from day one, that some people are going to love the logic in programming, and that's what we learned in the first half of the class. And then some people are going to love the design and the user half of it, and thus making the people who like the logic go crazy.
This week we are diving into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So far it's Wednesday, and so far we've gotten through HTML and CSS. You can do a lot more with CSS than I thought.
My challenges in particular are my design issues. Just looking at something like, where should it go? How should it be? Those are the hardest things for me. Coming around and dealing with the minuteness of what's going on between different browsers and trying to make sure that everything looks the same and it also resizes itself for different media.
I feel like the last 6 weeks have been mostly logic driven, so you're just trying to puzzle out how and why things are doing what they're doing. But I don't think that, I personally didn't think programming was that difficult. It was just a matter of understanding how the logic flowed. This feels a lot more like walking into a foreign language and you don't know any of the words, so you just have to look stuff up and figure out what does what and why and what stuff you want to use and what stuff you don't want to use. So it feels a lot less logic driven, which is great for some of the more design oriented people and a little bit less great for people like me who love logic stuff.